Tom, look at the table.
I see the table, Gracie. It is a nice table.
Yes, but the table is empty.
Oh, yes, it is very empty. There is nothing on the table.
It is time for dinner. We need to set the table.
Okay, that is a good idea. Let's set the table together.
What do we need first?
First, we need plates.
Yes, plates are very important. I will get the plates.
Okay, Gracie. I will wait here.
I have the plates. I have 2 plates.
Great! 1 plate for you and 1 plate for me. Where does my plate go?
Your plate goes here, on this side.
Okay, I put my plate here. Now, where does your plate go?
My plate goes there, on that side.
Perfect. Now we have 2 plates on the table.
The table looks better now. What is next?
Next, we need forks. Do you want to get the forks?
Yes, I will get the forks. I will be very fast.
Okay, Tom.
I am back. I have the forks. 2 forks.
That was fast. 1 fork for me and 1 fork for you.
Where do the forks go, Gracie?
The fork goes next to the plate, on the left side.
Okay, I will put my fork here, next to my plate.
And I will put my fork here, next to my plate.
Good. Now we have plates and forks.
The table is almost ready. What do we need now?
Now we need spoons. I will get the spoons.
Okay, Tom. Please get 2 spoons.
Here they are, 2 shiny spoons.
Wonderful. 1 spoon for me and 1 spoon for you.
Where do they go? Do they go next to the forks?
Yes, exactly. The spoon goes next to the fork.
I will put my spoon here.
And I will put my spoon here.
Great. Plates, forks, and spoons. We are ready.
Wait, Tom. We're not ready. We need knives.
Oh, you are right. Knives. I will get the knives.
Thank you, Tom.
I have 2 knives. Be careful.
I will be careful. Where do the knives go?
The knife goes on the other side, on the right side of the plate.
Okay, my knife goes here.
And my knife goes here.
Perfect. The table looks very nice now.
Is that everything?
I think we need one more thing. For water.
Oh, glasses. We need glasses.
Yes, let's get the glasses together.
Okay.
We have the glasses. I have one glass.
And I have one glass. Where do they go?
The glass goes here, above the knife.
Okay. I put my glass here.
And I put my glass here.
Now look, Gracie. The table is beautiful.
Yes, it is. It is not empty anymore.
It has plates and forks and spoons.
And knives and glasses.
The table is set. It is ready for dinner.
And I am ready for dinner. I am very hungry.
Me too, Gracie. Let's eat.